In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself from Life360 Circle 2026. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once it finishes loading and I'm on the main screen with the map, I'll just give it a second so everything fully syncs. You should see your current circle and the map right away. From here, I'm going to look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the settings icon. That little gear icon is where Life360 keeps all of the important options related to your account and your circles, so go ahead and tap on that. Now that I'm inside the settings menu, I'm going to scroll down just a bit until I find circle management. This section controls everything related to the circle you're currently part of, including members, permissions, and leaving the circle entirely. Once you see circle management, tap on it. At this point, you'll see a list of options connected to your current circle. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Take your time here because depending on your app version, it might be a little lower than you expect. Keep scrolling until you see the option that says Leave Circle. When you see Leave Circle, go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you do, Life360 will pop up a confirmation message. This is just the app double checking that you really want to leave, since leaving a circle means you'll stop sharing your location with everyone in that group, and you also won't be able to see their locations anymore. If you're sure this is what you want to do, tap yes to confirm. Once you tap yes, the change happens immediately. There's no waiting period, no loading screen, and no extra steps after this. Right after confirming, you'll be removed from the circle. You won't appear on the map anymore, and the members of that circle will no longer see your location. At the same time, you won't be able to view their locations either. Everything updates automatically, so there's no need to close the app or restart your phone. After leaving the circle, Life360 may take you back to a main screen where you can either join another circle or create a new one depending on how your account is set up. That's completely normal, so don't worry if the screen looks a little different afterward. If you ever decide you want to rejoin the same circle in the future, keep in mind that you'll need a new invite code from someone who's still in that circle. You can't rejoin automatically once you've left, so make sure you're comfortable with that before confirming. Just to go over it one more time, as if we're doing it together, you opened the Life360 app, tapped on the settings icon in the top left, went into circle management, scrolled down to leave circle, and then tapped yes to confirm. That's all it takes. It's a very quick process once you know where to look, and you're always in control of whether you stay in a Life360 circle or not. And that's it. That's how you remove yourself from a Life360 circle in 2026 using an iPhone.